2022 for ETOA and for the industry has been a year of recovery. What we learnt this year is that there's a huge appetite for in-person events, and you can probably see behind me now that we have GEM in full swing, which is very, very heartening. GEM took place last year, and the 2021 GEM was very much a recovery GEM. No one could believe that they were in the same room with one another, and it was just quite exciting just to get back in that sense. The great news about the GEM 22 is that we have 700 people here doing business, and doing business in the real certainty that there is business to discuss.
GEM is for me the place to be, to get the knowledge and acquainted with new partners and to maintain our relationship with already existing partners.
For me, GEM is really the top, to find new contacts, to see other people again after a few years. It's straight to the point, loads of interesting contacts and a nice atmosphere.
GEM for us is a great event. It's a great opportunity for meeting so many people from the buyers and even colleagues from another countries, companies and so on. So it's a meeting point, almost 1,000 people right at the same place at the same time.
GEM's always on our radar. It's one of the first events I attended when I started working for the company, and it's just so fantastic because meeting so many people in such a short space of time. It's great to connect with people in the coffee breaks, meeting people in the open appointments, and it's just a great place to bring everybody together and just make those new relationships.
It's been an absolute whirlwind. I only just found out there was an upstairs section. I've had back-to-back meetings all day, and so have my other two team members here, so we're really looking forward to seeing what the results of those will be, but certainly the conversations we're having seem to align very well with the solutions that we're providing.
It's an incredible opportunity for networking, create connections and increase business opportunities. So we are very happy to be here and that our suppliers are here with us.
I've made some great contacts today and during the social events as well. Yeah, I'll be coming back, that's for sure.
Basically in one day you can have it all, so it's perfect value for money.
I must admit, I do more business here than that I do on WTM.
I've heard from so many people today how much they appreciate this event, how much they've gotten out of this event, and how much they're looking forward to socializing with old friends and new colleagues, and looking forward even again to planning for next year.